Which Bible verse is the most searched, read, and bookmarked? I don't like to keep you waiting, but I have to give you a little reading to support what I'm bringing to you. So here we go. The founder of YouVersion, he said, through every hardship, people continue to seek God and turn to the Bible for strength, peace, and hope. He continues to say that while 2020 was a year so many would like to forget, we see it as a year to remember how God used the Bible app to help so many people who are searching for answers. And on that note, let's see which verse is the most searched, read, and bookmarked. Okay, so I'm dragging it out a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna read the verse and then you can guess the chapter. All right, so let's go. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. I know you know it, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's coming from Isaiah 41 and verse 10. It is the most read, the most searched, the most bookmarked chapter.